everybody, how's it going? Today I would like to present to you a 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan Dark Blue. And I'm going to fulfill a tour of the Grand Caravan, start it up, engine, a bunch of the unique features and performance data on the interior and the exterior. And today I'm at Automart Corporation in Hanover, Massachusetts. So with that said, let's get to it. And this 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan is equipped with a remote start. I will demonstrate that really fast. Just hold down this blue button. Easy as possible. Hold it down again to shut it off. Dark blue color exterior with gray cloth interior. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, manual seats, manual recline. And this 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan has 74,000 miles. So let's go ahead and start her up. Starts right up. Very easy to smooth steer. Parking brakes. Alright, we'll go ahead and pop on the hazards. And the headlights. Power windows. And let's tour the exterior. Standard wheel covers. Alright, let's go ahead and pop the hood here. This 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan comes with a 3.3 liter V6 engine. Sounds perfect. Alright, let's go ahead and tour the interior. Alright, let's go ahead and see how it sounds. Awesome. Easy to use climate controls.
Yeah, that's okay.
And we can also talk about the warning.
So you packing it down, yeah, right, I'm calling my cell phone, trying to catch a flight. You know one thing straight, I'll be there whenever you call. When you at home, that's your man, so that you land, you say it's all me.
Get your power outlet. Got your cup holders. You got your cruise control. It's a very nice Grand Caravan. We'll go ahead and cut it out there and we'll tour the rest. This one has third row seating. Decent amount of trunk space. Get your cup holders in the rear. You can have an extra outlet back there as well. Very nice. Well guys, hope you all enjoyed the in-depth tour of the 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan. Make sure you stay tuned. There's lots more where this came from. Take it easy, folks.